I tried Japan's longevity diet for 7 days. Here's what happened. Welcome to Healthy Factory. By the end of this video, you will change your mind towards a diet. Japan boasts one of the highest life expectancies in the world, and much of that can be attributed to their incredible longevity diet. For the next 7 days, I'm diving into the culinary secrets of Okinawa, where centenarians thrive. Picture this: vibrant vegetables, nutrient-rich fish, and of course, that comforting bowl of miso soup. It's all about balance and moderation. I'll be savoring every bite, focusing on whole foods that nourish both body and soul. Will this journey leave me feeling lighter, healthier, and more in tune with myself? Let's embrace this adventure and discover the power of mindful eating together. Okay, breakfast was miso soup, steamed rice, and green tea. No coffee. Yet. Help. Already feeling less bloated. That fermented stuff? Works wonders. I miss bread, but these soba noodles are fire. I noticed I'm eating slower and actually tasting my food more. After 7 days, I felt lighter, not just physically, but mentally. No calorie counting, no stress, just real food and mindful habits. I didn't expect to feel this good. Would I recommend it? 100%. Not for quick weight loss, but for long-term health and simplicity. And hey, if it helps people in Okinawa live to 100, maybe there's something to it. Liked our content? Please like, share, subscribe our channel Healthy Factory for more health info.